Hello students, welcome to the class second subject maths. In previous video we have learnt about borrowing tens and borrowing hundreds. Today we are doing some more questions about borrowing tens and hundred and problem solving of subtraction. So let's start. In ones place 5 minus 8. 8 will be not subtract from 5, so borrow 110 from 3. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Left 2 tens minus 6 tens. 6 will be not subtract from 2, so borrow 10 tens to make 13. 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Left 1. 6 minus 9, 9 will be not subtract from 6, so borrow 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Left 3. 3 minus 7, 7 will be not subtract from 3, so take 10, borrow 10 tens to make 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Left 2. 3 minus 6, borrow 1 10 to make 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Left 1. 1 minus 5, borrow 10 tens to make 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Left 3. 5 minus 8, borrow 1 10 to make 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Left 1. 1 minus 6, borrow 10 10 to make 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Left 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 0 minus 2, borrow 1 10 to make 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 4, borrow 10 tens to make 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Left 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 5, borrow 1 10 to make 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Left 4. 4 minus 7, borrow 10 tens to make 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Left 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 2, borrow 1 10 to make 10. 10, 11. 1 minus 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Left 1. Borrow 10 tens to make 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Left 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 9, borrow 1 10 to make 17. 10 plus 7, 17 minus 9, 8. Left 3. Borrow 10 tens to make 13. 10 plus 3, 13 tens. 10 tens plus 3 tens, 13 tens. 13 minus 6, 7. Left 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 5, borrow 1 10 to make 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Left 0. Borrow 1 tens to make 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Left 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 minus 4, borrow 1 10 to make 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Left 0. Borrow 1 10 tens to make 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Left 8. 8 minus 7, 1. So today we have learnt about borrowing tens and hundreds in subtraction. Next, now we will go to do some problem solving of subtraction. A forest had 856 trees. 289 trees were cut down. How many trees were left? A forest had 856 trees. 289 trees were cut down. 289 trees were cut down. एक फॉरेस्ट में 856 ट्रीज थे जिसमें 289 ट्रीज कट हो गए. हाउ मेनी ट्रीज वेर लेफ्ट? अब वहां पे कुल कितने ट्रीज बचे? सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर? वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 6 minus 9 in ones, tens, 100. 6 minus 9, 9 will be not subtract from 6. What we will do? We will borrow 1 10. 16 to make 16. 10 plus 6, 16 minus 9, 7, left 4. 4 minus 8, 8 will be not subtract from 4. So borrow 10 tens to make 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Left 7. 7 minus 2, 5. How many trees were left there? 567 trees. Next, 120 children are going to a park in 2 buses. 65 children are in one bus. How many children are in the other? So 120 children are going to a park in 2 bus. In 2 bus there are 120 children are going. 65 children are in one bus. पार्क में 2 बस जा रही जिसमें पूरे 120 चिल्ड्रन हैं. अगर 1 बस में 65 चिल्ड्रन है तो दूसरे बस में कितने चिल्ड्रन होंगे? सो व्हाट वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट फॉर 65 फ्रॉम 120. 120 minus 65. 0 minus 5. 5 will be not subtract from 0. So borrow 110 to make 10. 10 minus 5. 5. Left 1. 1 minus 6. 6 will be not subtract from 1. So borrow 10 tens to make 11. 11 minus 6. 5. Left 0. So 55 children are there in other bus. Venu collected 122 cells. Ajit collected 239. How many more shell did Ajit collect? वेनु ने 122 सेल्स कलेक्ट किए तो अजीत ने 239. तो अजीत ने वेनु से कितने ज्यादा कलेक्ट किए? सो 239 माइनस 122. सब्ट्रैक्ट लेस सेल्स फ्रॉम मोर सेल्स. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. How many cells did Ajit collect? 117 cells Ajit collected. Understood? Next. Maya has 327 coins. She has 138 coins more than Anne has. How many coins does Anne has? माया के पास 327 कॉइन्स है और एन से 138 ज्यादा है. तो एन के पास कुल कितने कॉइन्स हैं? माया के पास 327 कॉइन्स हैं. एन से उसके पास 138 ज्यादा है. उसके पास एन से 128 ज्यादा है. 7 minus 8. Borrow 110 to make 17. 17 minus 8, 9. Left 6. Borrow 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 17 minus 8, 9. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So Anne have how many coins? 239 coins. 186 people are watching a movie in a cinema. The cinema has 300 seats. How many seats are empty? 186 people are watching a cinema. 186. The cinema has 300 seats. सिनेमा में कुल कितने सीट्स हैं? 300, जिसमें से 186 people मूवी देख रहे हैं. So how many seats are empty? तो कितने सीट्स खाली हैं? 0. 0 minus 6. 6 will be not subtract from 0. So what we will do? We will borrow 110 to make 10. But in tens place there is no enough number to borrow. So in tens place borrow from 100. So 10. Borrow 10 tens to make 10. From tens now we will borrow 2 ones to make 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Now in tens place left 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 3. We will borrow from 100. So what will be left here? 2. 2 minus 1? 1. So how many seats are empty? 114 seats. Next, Ravi schools has 826 students. Ravi's school has 826 students. Neeta's has 238 students less. और नीता के स्कूल में उससे 238 कम है. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स डज नीता स्कूल हैव? रवि के स्कूल में 826 है और नीता के स्कूल में उससे 238 कम है. तो कितने बच्चे नीता के स्कूल में हैं? 6 minus 8. What we will to make 16? We will borrow 110. 16 minus 8, 8. Left 1. 1 minus 3. 3 will be not subtract from 1. So borrow 10 tens to make 11. 11 minus 3, 9. Left 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So how many students the Nita's schools have? 598 students. (16 minus 8, 8. Left 1. So borrow 10 tens from 100 to make 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Left is 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So 16 minus 8, 8. 11 minus 3, 8. And 7 minus 2, 5. 588 students. 588 students. Next, the temple in Rampur is 900 years old. The temple in Neil's village is 450 years old. How much older is the temple in Rampur? So Rampur temple is 900 and the Neil's village temple is 450 years old. So how much older is the temple in Rampur? 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5. Will we not subtract? To borrow 10 tens to make 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. So how many years old? 450 years older in the temple in Rampur. In the temple in Rampur, 450 years old. So today we have learnt about the subtraction of 3-digit numbers with tens and hundred, with borrowing tens and hundreds, and some more problem solving of borrowing with tens and hundreds. Okay, so repeat it again and write it in your copy. Thank you, class.